Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to show your desktop icon here. Okay, you can see my desktop is here. It's just blank. And you can simply check that if you enable the desktop icon show. Okay, just right click, then go to view. Then you can see here option of show desktop icon. Just click here. Then your old desktop icon is here. You can simply hide off all of them. Just right click, select view, go to show desktop icon, click here. So you can simply hide this. So in this way, you can easily recover your hidden desktop icons. Okay, that's it. Very simple. But all case this is not happen. It is only happen if we just unticked the show desktop icons settings. So that's it, guys. Very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as videos so you can easily watch that. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.